Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Imam Abu Hamid Muhammad bin Muhammad Ghazali rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi states, Rajab is also called Al-Asab, that means heavy downpour, because the downpour of mercy increases on the one who repents in this blessed month, and illuminations of acceptance shower down upon the one who worships in this month. Sayyiduna Allama Yusuf bin Abdul Hadi Hanbali rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh states, the month of Rajab is the key to goodness. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.
We love Madani Channel. We love Madani Channel. We love Madani Channel.